Hey guys, this is my Black Friday video. So, in the spirit of Black Friday, I am going to be programming something in a traditionally business language, because Black Friday. So I've chosen COBOL and FORTRAN. I know more FORTRAN than COBOL, but I don't know either especially well. So this will be a fun challenge. But yeah, I haven't decided. I've decided that this is gonna do it for me, and then it's gonna be best out of 3. So let's see. That's 1 point for FORTRAN. And FORTRAN wins. Okay, so I'm going to be coding something in FORTRAN. So let's get this out of the way. So we're going to be programming in FORTRAN today. So for FORTRAN, we're going to need to make a new file. We'll just call it main.f95. Here it is. And now, real quick, I'm going to make a hello world. So get it all set up and we can run it and test out, make sure my whole environment works. Okay, so this should work, and we can just g-fortran-o hello.exe main.f95 and hello world. Awesome. FORTRAN, am I right? FORTRAN. So how about we can make some sort of game. I'm thinking maybe we can make a number guessing game. Yeah. So let me just do that. Guess the number. Number guess. I'm writing in all caps because style. Am I right? Nothing's stopping me, so I might as well. Looks cooler. So number guess the number. So I'll figure out how to do input and random numbers. Let's see. I don't know much about FORTRAN. And then, yeah, it's giving me all sorts of errors because of warnings, because tabs. I use tabs. You can't stop me. Doesn't stop it from compiling. So I'm just gonna keep doing it. Who cares? The server apparently, but I don't. So yeah. Read, it said, correct? Let's see. Yeah, so read into here. Oh, so I can just, okay, so read into there, and then I can, yeah, so I'm just gonna do that, because I don't know how this write command works. Like I said, I'm not really a FORTRANer, so I'm just gonna, This is how you program, you just write a ton of stuff down that you don't understand, and then eventually you'll figure it out. Terrible advice, but it's advice. All advice is good advice if it's advice. So now let's try this out. g-fortran-o numguess.exe main.f95. Okay, guess. Guess the number. 1. 1. Why did it put it all the way over there? Though, like, why did you feel the need to put it there? Maybe this is why I did that. Right? Let me just look up the right command real quick. I bet I can figure this out myself. Okay, so we put it in A. No. 1. Right? Because it's an integer of length 1. See? Be ready to be amazed. How you like me now? Okay. Integer correct num. So now I need to figure out how to make a random number appear. Fortran random number. Random underscore number. So call random number. Well, okay, so we call random number and puts it in. But what's it between? I need a very specific type of random number. This is math. I don't know math. Okay, how about real placeholder correct? And how about I get rid of the vowels so it's shorter? There we go. I'm a genius. Okay, so now call random number. That was that? That was what we do? Yes. And then we put it in PLC HLDR CRCT. And then we multiply it by 10, right? Right? We multiply it by 10. So correct num equals PLC HLDR CRCT times 10. But then we also gotta floor that. How do I floor? Just floor. So I'm assuming I can just set variables. Yes. So this will be between 0 and 0.9. So then we actually just want to add 1 to that. And then there we go. Okay, let's try this out. Let's try this out. So we can. Oh, but then we're not printing this. Oh, let's just see if it compiler error. Okay. So now we can give a guess between 1 and 10. There we go. And then we need, so if, alright, so we can just, if, I can just do ifs, right? if. I can just do it. Okay, so I need parentheses. So if guess is greater than 10, guess equals 10. If guess is less than 1, guess equals 1. You know, just to make sure that our code is all good. And then if guess equals correct num, then write correct syntax error. Syntax error. How is that? Let's see. Oh, dot gt dot. Okay. Dot gt dot lt dot et dot, I'd assume dot e dot. Okay. Let's see. What's equal to? What are all conditions? All possible conditions. EQ. Okay. EQ. There we go. So if it's equal to, then we write correct, and then else write incorrect. And then we can run this. 1. Oh, I should probably loop back, right? Do we have like labels and go-tos? Fortran go-to. Go-to, control flow. Okay, go-to 100. So I can... Yeah, who cares? I use go-to and C all the time. So we just need to give a number to this, to the correct line, and then it'll do it. So, yeah. So this is what we want, 10. And then we can just go to incorrect and then go to 10. There we go. And now we can play multiple times. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. I did it. I did it. Okay. Random seed. Can I get os.time? Fortran random seed. Okay. Let's see. Oh, okay. So random data retrieved from the operating system. Okay. This is what we want. So actually, this should be 10. That shouldn't be 10. And then here we call random seed. There we go. There we go. Now we can boom, boom, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Eventually, this should be correct. Wait, what was that? Wait, what about 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? 10's correct. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now 10 is always correct. So I need to give a proper random seed because this isn't actually doing anything. So can I get what is repeatable? Okay. os.time Fortran. Okay. CPU time. So it's going to receive the time. Okay, we want CPU time. And then, okay, so we're going to need a real number that's going to give, it's going to be time. And then we're going to call CPU time. Put in time. And then we're going to put time into the random seed. And that's going to be our seed. And then 10. So, wait, and then let me make sure that that's actually how I do this. And I'm not going insane. Going insane again. So random seed, size put get. Put. Get. I don't get it. See, I'm just gonna put that in there. I'm just gonna put that in there. Must be integer. Okay, I can convert a real number to an integer. That's fine. I can just floor it, right? Floor would return an integer, correct? Must be a variable. Okay, so the integer real time. No, int time. Then real time. So real time. And then we can int time equals floor real time. And then int time goes in there. And now we have an integer. And now I'm just going to assume that this will work, even though it doesn't really make much sense. It works. It works. It gives me a new random number. Okay. And now we can go to, I'm going to call this one 20 for no reason. Now we're going to do this like again. We're going to like go here, and then we're going to copy all of this, put it here. But then this is actually going to be different because it's going to be between 1 and 100. And then we are going to 100, 100. That's good. And then else, and then we're going to go to 20. No, we're going to go to 10. We have to restart the whole thing. And then, but then once you guess the random number between 1 and 100, correct, you win. No. There. And now I want to exit the program, but it'll just do that itself. So yes. Now let's run our game. 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Oh. I don't know how that happened, but it happened. Yeah, I don't know. Huh. So, that's fun. It's fun. But it shouldn't do that every time. Okay? See, that means that this is likely not actually updating. Correct num. From here to here. I should probably actually get a space there so it's more clear. There's a separation, and I should probably also do one there. There's the variable section, the 110 section, and the 20 section, and the 1 to 100 section. So, the time, we get the CPU time again. How about we get a different time? How about we get some other number? You know. And then we'll be good. How to seed time Fortran. I need Fortran time. I need time. The current time encoded as an integer. So it's suitable for passing to C time. G time, L time. Okay. So just get time. Result equals time. So then we can actually just do this here, and then we don't need real time, we can just time, right? And then we have a different random seed, and now it should work, right? Boom, boom, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. See, that isn't good. That isn't good, and I don't like it. Because the time should be different than CPU time. These should all be different numbers. And we're seeding it within time. And then we get a random number. So I don't know what's happening here exactly. Besides me using random seeding correctly and me knowing that I am using random seeding correctly. How to get a random number in Fortran. Call random seed. Okay. I'm aware. But I need to know how to seed it, because it doesn't seed it sufficiently. It doesn't do it right. So I don't know why this needs to be so complicated. It's not that hard to just do this all for me. Okay. So how about we just don't write anything? Right? And then we just don't do anything there. So then it'll for sure be a different thing, right? It has to be. It has to be different. It quite literally has to be different. Yes! I've never been that happy to lose in my life. Oh, I did it. That was a fluke though, right? Okay. Well, this is the, yeah, I did it. That's the end of the video, I guess. I'll see you next time for more, I don't know, stuff. Bye-bye now.